that's why those are all studs on that aluminum plate. So that the thing that happened over, that's not the aluminum plate.
Yeah.
It's got a strip bolt.
Oh, it did.
Ruh-roh.
Oh, that's a problem.
So we'll fix it.
But so you can just drive a new stud in there and be done with it?
Time search and then stud.
See, all you got to do is wrap it with some paper towel, hit it with a hammer, and it's home.
All right.
Oh, there's a spring. There's a spring in there.
I lost a nut.
Oh,
Where'd the nut go?
That's my question.
that's what she said.
Usually once you're done, you lose one anyway, right? You don't get that back. If you get that back, that's weird.
Oh, I think it's
Some people are into that, though.
She's free. All right. So
Where did the nut go?
Right here.
right here.
Oh,
Damn. Grant, do you need glasses?
This is a clean living right there.
We'll put that in there too, since we know where that is.
All right, guys.
Now this should
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
right?
wiggle.
Don't know. Did you get all the bolts out?
Well, we think so.
oh shit!
I don't-
Da-da.
That's kind of why I asked
Bastard.
that question.
That's always fun. We're like, why won't this fucking thing come apart?
Yeah.
Trust me, that happens all
Because that hidden bolt that you didn't see till you took 27 other parts done, you just never looked down to see it.
Numbers and nut.
I don't like it all, but I do like that.
At least they're edible.
What are we looking at here?
Think about nuts.
Oh, girl.
It's a guy that's
Oh,
never opened his
that's a metric
garage
system. I like those.
over at the garages.
Oh, she's free.
The land of the
All right,
Porsches?
There's
Oh, you lost the washer.
no, there's a washer.
Oh, it was very, very sexy.
We'll do this thing. This is the universal tool for removing stuff. It's got a
Magnetic
magnet.
Chingus.
Oh, be careful.
Don't drop the washer.
Love those magnetic tips. All right, it should just come right up.
Just the tip. Oh, hey, look.
Oh, look at that. We got all kinds of stuff.
Okay.
What are we going to do with this?
You're going to take that, you're going to flip it over,
Flip it
and then you're going to set it over on that
On the crate?
on the pallet.
huge jobber.
You about ready to chip some heads?
He's in 23.
Oh,
Ooh, that doesn't look normal.
Sherman.
No, that's quite normal, actually.
Tell us what we got here, sir.
Remember, that actually, that may not be right.
That doesn't seem right, sir.
No, because this one's got a little bit of to it.
Can I?
Oh, wait a minute, maybe?
That's got some boing boing.
That does.
He's a little
That's a little floppy.
flaccid.
That needs some little blue pills.
I just emailed you back, by the way.
Okay, I need to see in here.
All right,
Flashlight.
There's your linkage.
Wow.
Let's see how that comes out.
Spinning the spinny spurly. What you got there, Sherman?
This was this weekend.
That's got the rod that goes on the boing boing.
And what part?
Just getting your focus.
The
Oh yeah.
Northern and the Southern Oldsmobile Club chapters of America, I should say, Northern and Southern chapters of the Oldsmobile Club.
Let's pull this out.
Okay.
Gentlemen, let us yank.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Hold on, I just got
Work it. Work it, girl.
Just got it.
So
It's
was
gotta
there
line up with those
another car
splines.
like yours?
Actually,
In the back.
mine was only 56 there.
There it goes. All right, now we're.
All right. Now this
we're-
thing's about right. Wants to pull out.
Yeah, why
That's
is it
good.
stuck?
That's good.
It's because
Keep
of this thing here. Oh, that
Got a
whole thing's
gasket
gonna.
here.
Oh, that whole thing's gonna come through.
It
It
should
might.
flop.
It's got a
Maybe.
bigger hole there. Oh, how do you like that?
Oh, there it is.
So put this on the crate over there.
Yes, please.
Oh, girl, hold it up like you did something. Woo! Victory!
Okay, now wait a minute. Actually, we need to see that.
Yeah, let's see it.
The issue.
Oh, I just lost the gasket.
No, it's right there.
It's right here.
Oh.
Go sit that on the. Yeah, there you go. All right. So the issue that we were having
Ringer.
had to do with this.
Is that the parking pole?
Yeah.
Yeah, I drove mine up.
Oh, no, you drive yours everywhere. Yeah.
Okay, I need to see in here.
That's 50 there.
So that locks onto this gear here.
That's a neat colored wall.
It's a Coke spoon.
I want to understand why the parking pole was not working. And I'm looking at it, and I need a wrench,
What
a
size?
crescent wrench, so
Oh.
we can cycle
Any
this.
16th.
Yeah, can you go get me a crescent wrench?
Yep.
Whoops, let's take
All right.
that.
Don't worry about that.
So what is a parking pole?
This is a parking pole.
That goes in and keeps it
Oh,
from rolling.
Where did
Oh,
they? What was that, and where did it go?
It went down yonder into the stuff.
It
What
found,
was it?
It went into the
if you
abyss.
looked it up, it probably is right
Maybe.
underneath.
It's in that.
No,
No?
no, it probably fell all the way in.
What
Well,
was it?
I'm glad we're taking it apart.
Crescent wrench?
Any
Is that big enough?
scalpel,
Yeah, there.
scalpel,
Actually, it's
scalpel.
here.
Crescent wrench, crescent wrench. Thingy,
The
thingy.
days.
Ooh. Look, we're shifting.
That's
Oh, you know, and actually, this little guy is off. Do you see that?
Not with your hand there.
Forward or hard copy?
Do you see that little retainer is off?
Oh, it is way down there.
Now, so it appears that the parking pole was working okay.
Oh, that's good.
It was a linkage adjustment that was an issue. Let's do this. Let's go here.
I don't know, that might
And
be-
look at our
No,
Sherman.
that's a 66. Yeah. They have-
Oh, there goes the clip.
Linkage, linkage,
Clip.
65 still-
linkage, clippy. Oh, that's a Jeebus clip.
Jeebus.
That is a Jeebus clip.
Oh, Jeebus.
Okay.
Oh, sweet baby
Now we're good.
Jeebus.
So now that we've done that,
Oh, the originals. Yes. 68, yes. Devon Engineering.
What's it smell like, Chairman?
it smells like mechanical shit.
We like that.
We like that.
As long as it doesn't smell like Teen Spirit.
Okay.
78?
Nirvana sucks, Grant. Sorry.
How can you say that to a 90s kid?
I was a 90s kid and Nirvana sucked.
Oh, look at that. I love that one.
I'm going to get some hate mail for that one.
Okay, so she turns. See that?
We're turning.
We're turning.
Well, yeah, I would say that's we hope for that,
Around the
don't we?
world, around the world. Okay.
You need to like be like, oons, oons,
So
oons,
you're
oons.
gonna put
Allie, why do you have
No,
sunglasses
that
on?
We're going to try Mr. Park.
Because the future is so bright? You got to wear shades?
And the guy
Nice.
who owned it put power steering in. Oh, it's got factory power.
See?
Found parts to put in. Yeah.
Wow, in the last 2 minutes, I've had a 90s and an 80s music reference. This is good.
See, it works fine. So the issue with this park ball was the linkage adjustment. So that's actually okay.
Yay, small victory.
Yes. Oh, yes. And it's a six
That's a
cylinder.
win.
The guy drove it up.
So should we put this?
It's like a
My
six
mother's
cycle.
first car was a
We'll
Ford.
put this in the same bag as the other stuff. Where's the?
Here's the Jesus clip and the thing.
Oh yeah, is the Jesus clip gonna go in the? We'll
Oh, yeah.
put all that in the same bag.
Jesus.
We can actually put that back on.
Oh, okay. We'll put Jesus back on.
Jesus in Tijuana. What's that line
So,
from? What movie's that from?
This is the linkage from here.
That thing sparingly.
So the clip goes on just like this.
I love those until you break it and then it
Or you
sticks
lose
your
one.
throttle
There.
and
See,
then
it's on.
you die.
How about that?
Anyway, that belonged to my
What I
Oh,
don't
is that
know
so?
is why this popped
What did
off
you
so
find out?
easily. Because I don't think it's supposed to be that easy.
Ooh, look at that.
automatic or now it's command. Okay,
Okay,
so
so
you were
That's like a Heim joint for poor people. You're going to learn Heim joints in my shop.
I want to learn about a Heim.
You're going to learn about Circle Track 3 link because we get to make our own sailing rod.
This goes in here.
That's another video series.
Yeah, we'll save that for the OF channel. Oh, that looks like
Oh.
that shouldn't be in there. Do you need a
That
You want a magnetic gadget? Oh.
A Chinggis?
Oh.
We want a Chingadera?
If our pool drops, we'll eat it.
so that goes
So that'll make that where it doesn't flop.
No, or Mr.
Oop, it didn't fall.
No, ours was 84.
But yeah, that goes in there.
I think ours is 88 today. Yeah, we keep ours around
So
What? That's crazy. 87 right now.
this goes in there slides in here, and then this pushes on that, and that's what
That gives it
engages.
that pushes the spring so that it stays where it gives resistance.
Right.
That gives it the beans.
See, one of the things that concerns me about this transmission is look how far in this is.
That's not good.
What are these things anyway?
These are actuators for the, right. There's a pair of bands. You've got a low reverse band and a high band, and I'm betting this is low reverse because it's small, and then this is high and it's larger. I could be the other way around. We can look in the book and figure it out. But then the servo, remember I had you flip that,
round things.
right? I had you flip this.
Here we go.
Because in here, there's little pushy things. See the pushy things?
Little pushy things.
Right, these little guys right here,
Oh, I see. That's the.
I didn't know.
those, using hydraulic pressure, press on, how does that go?
They press on the thing.
Like press on nails.
That presses on that.
Back on here, Chuck, so we don't know. So we know what that is.
Good idea. And this came off here, like that. So that's that.
All right. So now what are we pulling?
Let's pull these off.
All right.
Do we take this off first?
We can
though,
pull
right?
that back off.
We can pull that off now.
Is it stuck in park now? Sherman?
These are a little coaxing.
I don't think so.
Oh, there it goes.
Just that first.
Okay.
Pretty tight clearances on there.
Gentlemen, who wants to pull the accumulators? Boys?
Well, someone
These
already
guys.
pulled one, right?
Well, we got
Well, they
them.
pulled the top, and I had the top put back on.
Yeah, so we got to get them off the side.
Taking a couple bolts out of that one.
All right, let's
Yeah,
get
take
them
some
all.
more bolts out.
All right, back to work.
Back at it.